At the year end, you'll be required to create T4s for your employees. You can do this easily from QuickBooks. To get started, go to the navigation bar and click Taxes, and then Payroll Tax. From the Payroll Tax Center on the right side under Forms, click Annual Forms. Now, you can see that you've got the T4 summary and the employer copy of T4 slips. To review the employee copy of T4 slips, first choose the employee, and then click Employee Copy of T4 Slip. Now select the tax period, and then click View. And QuickBooks Now lets you preview the T4 that you can print or send to the employee. After your review, click back to QuickBooks, and at the year end, you'll be able to send this year's T4 slip on the first day of the following year. QuickBooks lets you handle all of the T4 in one place under the Payroll Tax Center.